In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Google Drive. By connecting these two tools, you'll centralize your documents, streamline collaboration, and boost productivity without bouncing between tabs. Think of it as bringing your Drive right into your Notion workspace, so your files live alongside your notes, tasks, and projects. First, let's talk about centralizing information. When your documents, spreadsheets, and presentations are embedded or linked directly on Notion pages and databases, everything you need is in one place. You can create a hub page for a project and surface the exact Drive files that matter. If you're managing a database, attach relevant Drive files to entries so context and content stay together. Clear titles and consistent naming make those files easy to scan and retrieve later. This integration also streamlines collaboration. Instead of sending links back and forth or switching apps, your team can open Drive files from within Notion, keeping conversation and content connected. Add context above a file, outline action items below it, and share a single Notion page so everyone sees the same source material. It removes friction and helps teammates focus on the work rather than hunting for the latest link. Keeping files up to date is another major benefit. When you embed a Google Doc, sheet, or slide in Notion, changes in Drive appear in real time inside the Notion block. That means you won't accidentally work off an outdated copy or wonder which version is final. Notion shows the live file, so the moment someone edits in Drive, your Notion view reflects it. You'll also notice a productivity lift. Embedding files where you plan and track tasks reduces context switching and keeps your workspace organized. Documents become part of your workflow instead of floating in separate apps. Some integrations can even automate routine work, such as creating a new Notion page when a file lands in a specific Drive folder. That's great for content intake, client deliverables, or meeting notes that need a consistent home. Finally, you can enhance your setup with AI. With your Google Drive connected, Notion AI can pull answers and insights directly from those documents. Ask for a summary of a long report, extract key action items from a brief, or surface relevant references tied to your project page. It's a powerful way to accelerate research and decision-making while keeping everything in context. Connect your tools once, and you'll centralize information, collaborate more smoothly, stay current automatically, work faster, and unlock smarter insights, all inside Notion.